A very warm good evening to all of you, especially the organizers for this evening of wonderful gathering of all the women entrepreneurs in the city. I believe this is a wonderful gathering because the contribution that the women entrepreneurs today are making towards the progress of Telangana and towards the country is brilliant, and any such award function to felicitate them would only encourage them further to contribute much more to the development of the state and the country. ఇవాళ ఒక మహిళను మనం దగ్గరికి తీసుకొని అవార్డు ఇచ్చామంటే ఆ ఒక్క మహిళకే కాదు, ఆ మొత్తం కుటుంబాన్ని కూడా మనం ఎంకరేజ్ చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఆ మహిళ కోసం ఆ మహిళను ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకునేటటువంటి ఆ పిల్లలకు కూడా అవార్డు ఇచ్చి ఎంకరేజ్ చేసినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది. జనరల్గా మగవాళ్ళకి ఏదైనా అవార్డు వస్తే ఏదో ఈవెంట్ జరిగిందిలే ఇంట్లో అనుకుంటారు, కానీ ఒక మదర్కి కనుక అవార్డు వస్తే పిల్లలు కూడా చాలా సీరియస్గా తీసుకొని మదర్ని ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అడ్మైర్ చేయడం, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకోవడం మొదలు పెడతారు. సో ఇటువంటి ఒక మంచి దుర్గా పూజ జరుగుతున్నటువంటి సమయంలో, వాడవాడల బతుకమ్మలు ఆడుతున్నటువంటి సమయంలో, స్త్రీని దేవతగా పూజిస్తున్నటువంటి ఈ పవిత్రమైనటువంటి నవరాత్రుల్లో స్త్రీ శక్తి అవార్డ్స్ ఇవ్వడం అన్నది సంపూర్ణంగా నేను సంతోషాన్ని తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. ఈ అవార్డ్స్ వేడుకలో నన్ను భాగస్వామ్యం చేసినందుకు నేను ధన్యవాదాలు కూడా మీకు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. టుడే వి ఆల్ నో that across the country, when we look at the number of entrepreneurs in this country, there are about, even in MSME sector, if we look at, probably around 6 crores of enterprises across the nation. But out of them, only 15% are owned by women. And in that 15%, only 80% of the women, they have funded their own organizations. Just 20% of women entrepreneurs have received any kind of formal support, either from the governments or the banking sector. In gatherings like these, I would want to make sure, because there are many IAS officers here and many other esteemed guests here, I would really want to throw a light upon these issues to think about. The access to finance is very, very, very crucial for the women entrepreneurs to shine, and I really hope all of us together, governments and private sector together, can make sure that happens. And another important thing I wanted to share with all the women entrepreneurs here today, we somehow do not believe in sharing our own story. To all the business owners here, I want to say this: please share your story with whoever is looking up to you. It could be your daughter, it could be an employee in your organization. Please make sure you share your story, because every woman who has started her own business, every woman who is doing something out of the house must have gone through some or the other struggle. Kisi ka chota hoga, kisi ka bada hoga, but everybody has to go through a struggle. And I truly believe that you should share your struggle with the women, especially the young women. And as women, we should be very openly supporting other women, employing more women, encouraging them, and institutionalize policies like maternity leaves, paternity leaves, having more crushes, making the workplace more women friendly, etc. If we don't do this, we cannot expect other men to do this. So to all the women entrepreneurs here, I know it looks like additional responsibility, additional burden on the women again, but then हम हमारे लोगों के लिए नहीं करेंगे तो कोई भी नहीं करेगा, and men will not take that initiative. So let us lead by example is what I wanted to request, and I wanted to laud the efforts made by Rakhi Garu. Here there are many other esteemed women. I want to take the name of Ms. Shanti Kumari Garu. She is now elected as a treasurer of the very prestigious organization, an international gynecology body. It is there in 150 countries. She's the first Indian to be elected as the treasurer, and she's the first Telugu woman to be elected as the president of this organization within our nation. Proud of you, ma'am, and I hope you'll achieve many more things in life. And there are many other women. I really hope all of you do very, very well in your life. Thank you so much. Jai Telangana.